Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu challenges Alex Otti, says APC will take over Abia in 2027. Kalu, who represents the Bend, the federal constituency of Abia State, made these statements during a recent political event, saying that Governor Dr. Alex Otti of the Labour Party has not done enough to deserve a second term. He alleged that the present administration in Abia has received more financial allocations from the federal government than former governors such as Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu, T.A. Oji, and Dr. Ojozo Kalu. Yet, in his words, the results are not visible enough. His remarks have been widely interpreted as a direct challenge and a declaration of political battles against Governor Otti, who is currently one of the most celebrated governors in Nigeria because of his reforms, transparency, and massive infrastructural renewal across Abia State. Meanwhile, watch this video and tell me what you think about it.
All the governors in Southeast Africa to work for our people. Miracle worker, always you. The miracle maker is that president who released money to the state. But no, the real miracle worker is a man who stopped oil subsidy and did not keep the money in his pocket or keep it in Abuja, but release it to the state. That is the right miracle worker. But no, stadium, come on, without game, I know I got a like on. A Romelu Kamala, okay, we now the right. Here, Guna Stadium, okay, Unahabay, but the Guna Valley be enough. Always always. It's all as a guy, look. How I know. President whoever on the release. That is the truth. And he has no opposition party in the states. And I'm very clear anybody I can. We can be friends, we can be family. As long as we are in a different political party, our job is to be the watchdog of the administration. This administration, I be my friend, the leader, but I am opposition leader in Abia State. And as opposition leader, I must speak for the masses. You cannot be getting the kind of money you are getting and you are doing the job that former governors did with the less they were getting. The former governors got very less, 4 billion, 5 billion. And today, Tinubu has released 38 billion, 40 billion. He never got the 4 billion, or not. The real opposition oppression. The 4 billion my administration now. 4 billion, 5 billion. Okay, 3.5. 3.5, 2 billion, 4 billion. I okay, see, the church. And you want us, in all fairness, to compare you G38 to 40 billion. And there's only 5-6 billion. Get ready. APC, get ready. We will take over these states. Let me say it again. You from Abuja will get the award.
At this point, I think Benjamin Kalu has drawn the battle line. It is left for Ndiaba to respond accordingly. Anticipate my analysis on this.